Every little thing you be calling police for your husband so that they can chase him out so that you can own the place. You just got to UK 5 months ago, 3 months ago, you start any little thing, you call police for your husband. You that don't even know how it's going to turn or what is going to happen.
Look at what they say. They now say, take care of your husband. Don't allow society corrupt you. UK police to Nigerian wives. I don't think this is nice because some complaints are really genuine and appropriate.
Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Robi Masaga and I want to discuss about these viral videos that I've just seen where UK police was urging Nigerian women to stop reporting their husbands. And I'm here to ask Nigerian women, you are Africans like those men that you're reporting. Why would you do that? You're in a foreign country, married to a fellow African, maybe to a Nigerian guy or maybe just an African guy. Why do you have to report those people? Is it that you just want to ruin their life, or what is your mission? And it's a UK police that is urging you. These people even organized a seminar for you people to talk to you people to stop reporting your husbands. Let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'm just lost. Maybe there's more to whatever that I was watching. So let me know in the comment section. Why report your husband? But for those who've not seen those videos, let me just show you a few here. Then let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. Yeah, and remember to subscribe, like, and share as well. Let's watch.
See, married women in the UK, we need to talk. Like, get a seat and come close. What exactly is the problem? Why do you choose to report your husband to the police? I'm not saying you shouldn't report the ones that are physically abusive. No, I don't tolerate or condone domestic violence. But if the marriage is not working anymore, pack your bags and leave. Live with your children. Must you report somebody's child? Must you report your husband to the police? Why? Why exactly? I know that there are bad marriages. Walk, take a walk, leave. Leave. You can build your life all over again, marry somebody else if you want, do something with your life, but must you report somebody's husband? I mean, if it's a case of domestic violence, yes. But if not, if it's just issues and challenges, leave. Divorce and move on in peace. Don't spoil that man's life.
UK Police Department has warned Nigerian women who lives in UK, especially London, to stop calling police for their husband for every little thing that happen. They are tired. Yes, for them to actually put out this warning to all Nigerian women who lives in UK, that means they have had enough. Yes, they have had enough of Nigerian women calling police for their husband all the time. Every little thing you be calling police for your husband so that they can chase him out so that you can own the place. You just got to UK 5 months ago, 3 months ago, you start any little thing, you call police for your husband. You that don't even know how it's going to turn or what is going to happen. Something that you can settle amicably, you go and call police because you have the right. You have seen that the law is working. You are misusing it. Nigerians, why are we like this? We keep misusing everything. Everything, keep misusing them. We too they do. Now they are tired. They can even use it as a means of deporting you people now. They are tired. So they say that they have to call meeting to warn you from calling them for every nonsense you and your husband is having. Why now? Why can't you people have sense? Must they see us in forefront for every bad thing? Must they? Any little thing you call police for your husband. And those police, they cannot say they will not come and do the right thing. They cannot say they will not come and obey the law. But they know that your husband is right. But still, they'll still come and arrest your husband. This thing you guys are doing, they are tired. Please, stop it. Stop it. Whatever happened with you and your husband, just settle it amicably in your house. And stop calling police for everything. Your husband throw water, you call police.
Guys, UK police has warned all Nigerian wives in UK to stop reporting their husband to them. UK police done the run for case. Anyway, they make this news after they got thousands of complaints from Nigerian wives reporting their husband to the immigration and to the police. Look at what they say. They now say, take care of your husband. Don't allow society corrupt you. UK police to Nigerian wives. I don't think this is nice because some complaints are really genuine and appropriate. Yes, some complaints might be genuine and appropriate. While some complaints might be say wife is tired of the husband and he want to indirectly send the husband away. So I think before they made it, they need to go through the reason why some of the wives are complaining, have a complaint against their husband. Whatever. Nigeria too. Una too do. Una too do. He told them that it's not every issue that should be solved by police. They said that not be every little misunderstanding you have with your husband, you go and report to the police, you go and report to the immigration. So no. So some issue, you sit down and talk to your husband and resolve your issue. Say, don't let the society corrupt you or mislead you. Honestly, I don't really understand Nigerians because we have traveled to a place where the rule of law, people respect the rule of law. We are now abusing it. I don't really understand how someone will report the husband. And now they have got so much complaints that made them to, because now they even complain that the reason why these wives are reporting their husband is not something that police should even involve. It's just a normal family affair, normal family misunderstanding that husband and wife should settle.
Now, let me just ask people who've gone out there to foreign countries. I know there's a reason why you went there, yeah? You didn't just wake up and packed your bags, then went to a foreign country for no reason. You must have had a reason why you went there. Maybe you went there to look for greener pastures. Maybe you went there to study. Maybe you went there because you were going there to, maybe you're getting married to someone from the other end. There's just a reason why you went there. So when you get there, assuming maybe you went there for studies or to work, you get an African person, you get married to them, then you start reporting them. Why would you do that? Because this is ruining someone's life. When you report them, it only means that this person will either go to prison or they are going to be deported. If someone has hurt you in any way, if someone is being physical to you, I know some African men, and I insist some, not all, so don't start judging me. Some African men have anger issues. I know that for a fact. So if someone is being physical to you, that one is very understandable. You can go and report such a person. Yeah, and if he has done it repeatedly, well, let me not just say repeatedly, because the moment someone hits you once, that person will keep hitting you as long as you're there. Yeah. So if you've noticed that this man is a violent man, why not walk away? You can always walk out. No, even if you have kids together, you can always go out there and start a new life. You don't have to stay with a violent man. Yeah. You don't have to ruin his life. You can always leave him without ruining his life. But let's assume maybe you've decided to leave this person. You've decided peace. Peace is very important for you. And you decided to go somewhere else and start a life. And this person is maybe stalking you. And to some point, maybe he even gets a chance to even hit you. That is when you can go and report him. Because now this is someone who doesn't like peace. That is very understandable. But let me ask you, why is that some of you would just wake up and go report their husbands? You're still living with this person. He's still your husband. You're not separated. You've never even raised that topic of you wanting to separate or starting a life somewhere else. You've never raised that. Why would you just wake up and go report that man? Is it that you hate him so much that you want to destroy his life? Or what is the reason behind that? Because both of you went out there for a reason. You either went there to study or you went there to look for greener pastures. Yeah, he's doing exactly what you're doing. So why would you go out there and report him? Why would you frame him? There's a story, I think I told you guys this story some time back. There's a lady who went and reported her husband. Yeah, she said that her husband was using he was in was it UK or Canada? One of those countries. He was there illegally. Yeah, she went and reported the guy. He said that he was there illegally, and funny enough, after investigation, it was true. Then the husband was like, I'm not going to, I want to be deported without me talking. He also reported the wife. He said that the wife was using a fake nursing certificate to work there. Yeah. And upon investigation, the police found out that it was true. She was using a fake certificate. They were both deported. And remember, these people had kids. They messed up these kids' life, yeah, because these kids, they've never been to Africa, maybe, yeah, they were born in that foreign country, maybe, they know nothing about Africa. You've completely destroyed their life, because where are they going to start from? Assuming that maybe you people were there as you went there maybe to seek asylum, because some of you go out there seeking for asylum. You have nothing in Africa. Maybe when you went there, you sold everything. You sold your land, you sold your house, you resigned from your previous job. So you have nothing back in Africa. And when you're deported, you don't even know where you're going to start from. Now, these kids, your kids that you're being deported together with, how are they going to cope? You cannot even manage yourself. So how are these kids going to survive back in Africa? A continent where they've never stepped foot in. I'm just assuming maybe they've never come to Africa. So how are they going to survive? Just because you're selfish enough to go out there and report your husband. Remember, this husband, he's the father to your kids. So why would you do that to them? You're reducing them to nothing, because when they come back to Africa, when they're deported, it means they're deported without anything. They're being deported the way they are. The way they were arrested, that is how they're deported back to Africa. So clearly, when he comes back here, he's going to start from zero. Why would you do that to them? And before they stabilize, it might take them years. So why do that to the father of your kids? To an extent where the police, the UK police, has to intervene. They have to come to you and start begging you, please, wives, stop reporting your husbands to us. That is the UK police urging you to do that. Just why? Why would you do that to another person? Why? If this person is being violent, if he's being mean to you, walk out. You can always go out there and start another life somewhere else. Maybe this man is cheating on you. Maybe he has a woman somewhere else, and you're jealous. You're jealous because of that. So you go out there and report them. Maybe you're not meant to be together. Maybe you're meant to be with someone else. Why not go out there and look for, your soulmate? Maybe he's not your soulmate, but because you're jealous and because you're so blind, you go out there and report him. How do you feel the moment that person is deported back? How do you feel? Why would you ruin someone's life? Sometimes I always ask myself, why some people just have a dark heart? And these few women are the ones that, they taint other women's name. Yeah, that is why men out here think that women are evil. They think women are evil because of the things we do to them. I'm not saying that men are good. We have men who are so heartless. But you don't have to, hurt them back for you to be satisfied. You can always walk out. We have men who are just deadbeats. We have men who don't even know how to provide for their family. Yeah, we have such men out here. But you don't have to be like them. You don't have to match the energy. You can just pack, walk, take your kids, go out there, provide for your kids. Women are very strong, so I know you can survive with those kids. You don't have to stick with someone who is hurting you, but that also does not justify you to go out there and hurt him back. Let him live his life. He will regret later for whatever that he's doing. Let me know from Nigerian women. Let me know in the comment section, why do you guys report your husbands? Yeah, if you've ever reported your husband, let me know in the comment section, what did he do to you that you had to go out? You had no option. Yeah, the only option was to go and report him. Let me know on the comment section. Yeah, and remember, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please remember to do so, and leave a like and share as well. Let's meet on the next episode. Yeah.